We'll guide you through how to fix Instagram Reels lagging. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So maybe you're trying to go and watch some Reels and you're just finding they're lagging. First of all, you need to just come to your Instagram profile page and click on the three lines in the top right like so to get your settings and activity. Then all you need to do is go and scroll down until you can see media quality and click there. What you want to do is go and switch off use less mobile data. This is going to be if you're using mobile data, so not off Wi-Fi, but it's worth turning that off if you are using mobile data. Go and see if that goes and fixes the problem. If it still doesn't, do just make sure that you do have a good connection to the internet, whether that be through a Wi-Fi internet connection or through mobile data. If you've got a slow connection, then that's why you're having lag. So if you're sure your connection is fine, then let's continue. The next thing you want to do is try restarting the Instagram app. To do that, all you need to do is swipe up on it and fully close it like so. Then what you can do is go and reopen it and then go and see if the problem is now solved. I often find just doing a refresh like that solves it. If that still hasn't fixed your problem, then make sure your phone hasn't got low power mode turned on. What this will do is go and reduce your phone's performance in order to conserve the battery. So what you want to do is come out of Instagram, open up your phone settings and go and find your battery settings just here. And what you can do is make sure low power mode is turned off like so. Go and see if the problem is now fixed. If it still isn't, then what you want to do is go and find Instagram, hold your finger on it, and you want to go and delete the app. So click on remove and then delete. And what you then want to do is go and re-download it from the App Store, and that should hopefully go and fix the problem if it hasn't already been fixed.